All these words mean to make something known to others, but they are used in different ways. Announce mostly refers to making something known to the public for the first time, especially something that people are interested in or curious about. The company announced the launch of its new product at a press conference. Declare emphasizes making a formal and clear announcement about something, often in an official context. The government declared a state of emergency after the earthquake. Proclaim refers to officially announcing major events or government policies. It is more formal in style than announce. The king proclaimed a national holiday to celebrate the birth of the royal heir. Pronounce is close in meaning to announce and declare, but is more often used specifically for announcing legal judgments, verdicts, or official rulings. The judge pronounced the defendant guilty after a long trial. Advertise means to draw public attention through repeated promotion using words and images. It sometimes implies something exaggerated or overly self-promotional. The restaurant advertised its new menu on social media to attract more customers. Broadcast specifically refers to spreading news or sharing opinions through radio or television. The news channel broadcast live coverage of the election results throughout the night. Publish specifically refers to making something known to the public through newspapers, magazines, or other media. The journal published the results of the study after months of careful review. All these words mean having as much as is needed, but they are used in different ways. Adequate means sufficient in quantity and appropriate in quality. It suggests something is good enough, but not necessarily more than needed. The shelter provided adequate food and clothing for all the people staying there. Enough is the most common word used in both spoken and written language. It emphasizes that the amount or quantity is sufficient to satisfy a need or wish. We have enough time to finish the project before the deadline. Sufficient is a formal word. It emphasizes that a quantity, number, or degree meets a specific requirement or need. The research team did not have sufficient data to draw a reliable conclusion. All these words mean to keep to something firmly, but they are used in different ways. Insist usually means to firmly hold to an opinion, demand, or position and refuse to change it. She insisted that the meeting should start on time regardless of who was absent. Persist in a positive sense means to keep doing something, but it is more often used in a negative sense, meaning to stubbornly continue despite warnings or advice to stop. He persisted in making the same mistake even after his teacher corrected him several times. Persevere always carries a positive meaning. It emphasizes keeping up tireless and determined effort toward a goal despite difficulties. She persevered through years of training and finally became a professional athlete. Adhere is always used with to. It means to firmly stick to an opinion, plan, rule, or commitment without wavering. The team adhered to the original plan even when others suggested making changes. Cling is always used with to. It refers to holding tightly to a belief, opinion, or habit, often even when it may no longer be reasonable. He clung to the hope that things would get better even in the darkest times. All these words mean to stick or attach to something, but they are used in different ways. Stick commonly means to attach something using glue or paste. Its extended meaning includes holding firmly to something, like a decision or position. She stuck the poster to the wall with tape, and it stayed there for weeks. Glue has the same basic meaning as stick. It means to bond things together with glue. Unlike stick, it does not carry the extended meaning of persisting. He glued the broken pieces of the vase back together carefully. Adhere is a formal word with a serious tone. It can mean objects sticking together physically or holding firmly to beliefs, principles, or a cause. The label did not adhere well to the surface because it was too wet. Cling emphasizes attaching closely by wrapping around, holding tightly, or gripping. In an extended sense, it means holding on emotionally to something or someone. The wet clothes clung to her skin as she walked through the rain. Cohere refers to particles or parts bonding together to form one inseparable whole. In an extended sense, it means ideas or arguments that are logically consistent and hold together well. The arguments in her essay did not cohere well, so the reader found it difficult to follow.